Hello everyone, in my today's video, I will tell you about the battery percentage in your device OnePlus Nord N300. So if in this device OnePlus Nord N300, you want to show the battery percentage or you want to check the battery percentage on the greatest part of the device, you can do it by following the steps as I will show you in this video. Before we move toward the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the step, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can show the battery percentage in your device. Let's watch it.